What are the best 3 countries to study programming, IT engineering, and software engineering? Today, we're gonna know what are these 3 best countries. If you are a student or doesn't matter, you want to go and study programming languages and you don't know where to go, this video for you. Today, we're gonna start from the third one, which is the least one, to the first one, which is important one. I'm gonna say the third one is the Japan. Japan is one of the best in the programming when it comes to the IT and software engineering, and also Japan has the Tokyo University, which is the best one. Also, Osaka University, which is also the best. It's a little bit expensive, but you will be able to get scholarship and study there. Just go to the Google and just write down a Japan scholarship and you will be finding a lot of them. There's a tons of scholarships available on the Google as well. Apply to the most of them so you will have chances to get one of them. They are getting married. That's something really interesting. I really need coffee. Let's go. Yeah, let's go get coffee. I'm gonna have my favorite coffee, but I have to wear mask. The second best country is US. Why US? Because it's a wide market for programming and for the IT. There's a lot of universities and institutes that you can get easily scholarship from them. Just go and write down on Google and you will get dozens of results for that. And please, you have to send a lot of email to those scholarship institutes and universities, so at least you can get 1 or maybe 2, and then it's up to you which one is good and better for you. You can apply for them. There's also like institutes where you can pay, but not that much. But honestly, it's very best for the programming. This area is full of coffee shop. Wow, that one is amazing one. Let's have one more coffee. So we are talking about the first country, which is China. And when it's come to the IT, AI, and programming, China is the leading and the best country at that fields, like IT, software, and AI, and all that. And China offer a lot of scholarship really easy. There are tons of them, an easy process to get them. Just go and find list of universities, or you can go on Google, write down the scholarship for IT in China. You will get list of universities. Just apply all of them and at least you will get one of them. Go to their website and you will find the scholarship there. And just apply all of them. I hope you like the video, and if you like, see you the next time. Peace.